What a great day in the markets. It's been amazing. Everything that's going on. We're going to look at quite a few things today. We're going to look at SPX, NDX, Tesla, IWM, maybe a couple others. We'll see what's going on. This is Mike, the tactical stock scalper. All right. We'll start here with SPX. And we talked about this area of consolidation here a couple videos ago, and that we talked about how the pattern has been since November that these periods of consolidation have all resulted in a breakout. And that is indeed what we got. We got a wonderful breakout on SPX today. I want to show you something on SPY. Where are you? Come here, SPY. Oops. PY. There we go. So on SPY, I made a video about my 4 EMA strategy, and if you would have bought every time there's a touch and hold on the 20 EMA, how much money you would have making. And then here's just another wonderful example, right? Touch and hold right there, and up we go. It's just an amazing how the 20 EMA has kept everything in check. Again, I caution you that this type of run is unsustainable, but how long can it go until the market decides it's unsustainable, right? But for now, as long as it's above the 20 EMA on SPX, let's go back to SPX. We are indeed bullish, all-time new highs, break out of the consolidation area. Bam. Let's go to NDX. All right, as we're looking here at NDX, again, it has not broken out of its consolidation phase yet. So it still needs to go higher to reach, to break out from all-time highs that it got, a week or so ago. So we'll just have to see how that works out. It is still consolidating, but if it follows SPX, we could expect a breakout here. It is that still has a little ways to go until it breaks out to all-time new highs. But again, it's above the 20 EMA. Life is good currently in the markets. Check out Tesla. Let me pull out here to a weekly time frame. This is a buy zone I talked about for a very long time between 150 and 160, and we would see buyers stepping in at the top of the buy zone at 160. We are starting to get that bounce that we were looking for. We do have something here I need to show you. Breaking past 175 was a pretty big deal, but now the next level of resistance is this 180, and this is really important, the 180 level here. Draw a line here for you. So, if we get to 180 and we can't break above it, and we can't get above it and hold above 180, I think we're coming right back down to this buy zone again. So you may have an opportunity, if you miss this go round, to buy it at the top of the buy zone to get it again. I would just be patient, because I wouldn't be buying now, because we could get rejected at 180. If you're itching to buy Tesla or TSLA or Tesla, I would see what would happen. Not financial advice. I'm not telling you what to do with your money. I'm just saying what I would do. There we go. So if we get above 180 and hold 180, then that would be a good spot to buy. And then we'll be looking for a move up to 200. But again, this is why you buy at buy zones, right? You don't sell at these buy zones. You got to give yourself an opportunity, or give the stock an opportunity to see if it can bounce from major levels. So if you sold, around this level, around the 160, 165 level, it might be a good lesson in patience or whatever. But, Tesla still has a lot of work to do, guys, on the weekly time frame. In order for it to be considered bullish at all, we have to get above the $200 level. I would expect us to get rejected again See this 200 EMA that's in purple? Anytime you're below it, it is bearish. A stock is bearish or whatever is below the 200 EMA on a weekly time frame. So it has to get above 200 for us to even consider it being bullish. These are all levels that you may have an opportunity, if you don't want to be in Tesla, a Tesla product, that you have an opportunity to get out, right? And at least make something, hopefully, or whatever. So what I did was I bought more shares of all my Tesla products around the 161 level. And that way, when I get to 180, which, we talked about us getting up to from this bounce, that I could sell out at almost break even or even a little bit of profit. So it's really important to buy at buy zones. Do not sell there. Buy at buy zones. And then give yourself an opportunity to get out with some money, break even or whatever, or at least lessen the damage. Let's go look at the Russell and IWMY. Okay, IWMY, you can see this red line I put in there a few days ago. That's where I bought my last buy at IWMY. I didn't buy here when last time, a couple days ago when it got to 200. That was your opportunity to buy IWMY. I would wait if it was me. It's not my money. It's up to you. I would wait to buy IWMY until it comes back down to those levels. I would think we're going to get rejected at 210 again and come back down. Here is why. This has been the top of the channel as it was over there, as it is here. Now, could you get a little wick above it, like right? Draw a line here for you. I mean, we could get a little wick above it, something like that, right? Over here. Let me pull this out for you, right? We could do something like that here, like we saw over there at the top of that other channel. But I would expect us to get sold off at 210 and come back down. Hope you enjoy. Oh, I do want to show you the VIX. Hold on. This is pretty important here on the VIX. We have been in this rising wedge on the VIX, basically a megaphone rising wedge, which is actually not bullish, it's bearish. Because as it keeps going up, you would expect it to break down, and it has indeed broken down from this channel, which means the markets are going up, and the VIX is going lower, means less volatility, and the markets can go higher. This is Mike, the Tactical Stock Scalper.